Hey, I'm Brian Vance, SportbikeTrackHere.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new Alpinestars Charger Pro backpack. Okay, the all-new Alpinestars Charger Pro backpack retails for $149 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand we don't update the videos for pricing changes, only if the product itself has been completely redesigned. This is a really technical piece, and that is the reason that we decided to go ahead and shoot a video on it. This thing really does it all. One of the most interesting features with this backpack is it comes with the ability to install a CE certified back protector. Right from the factory, it does come with a pretty dense piece of foam back here, so you're going to have a reasonable, if you're wearing this right, you're going to have a reasonable measure of protection while you have this thing on, even with just that foam there. If you want to take that to the next level, you buy their little KR-Celli back protector insert in size medium. That's what was designed to go in here, was the medium size. It'll slide right in there, and you'll have a tremendous amount of protection with your backpack. Strapping system is quick release. Separation here, this is pretty cool too. These are magnets, and you can see the way they've designed it. It's basically got two little hooks, so you kind of let it fall in place like so. Fully adjustable with the straps, of course. It's got kind of a semi-rigid outer shell, and when you get inside of this, you'll find there's a ton of padding all around the edges here. It feels like foam of a very similar density to what we showed you there in the back protector compartment. So if you have any type of impact here, it's really going to help to protect the stuff that's inside. The pockets that are inside, you've got a large laptop pocket. It goes all the way down to the bottom of the pack, full width all the way to the top. This is going to hold the biggest laptops, right, that anyone would reasonably carry around on a motorcycle. Comes complete with a rain cover. Storage pocket here, pocket down here as well. Built-in helmet carrier with this too. Just a second, we'll show you that in action. Zip open the pocket here on the bottom. Go ahead and pull the helmet carrier out. So if you're going to pick up a passenger or if you're off the bike and you're going to do some walking around, the material they've used here is super soft, so it's not going to damage your helmet. Little loops here, kind of clip it in. Like so. You know, God, would I do a lot of riding around with a helmet? Like, I mean, I wouldn't do a tremendous amount, I guess, but walking around, you get to a destination, you don't want to leave your helmet on your bike, you don't want to carry it in your hand. I think it's going to be effective for that. The rain cover installs in basically the same way. I think this is a nice touch too. It's fluorescent. Reflective logo there in the center. And that just simply slides over the pack. There are little loops that you attach. I'll show you that here in a second once I get this rolled up and put back into place. Let's say you need a little more storage capacity. It has an expansion panel built in. All I have to do is zip that open. And you can see that's going to open up a good couple inches here at the bottom, really increase the storage capacity available inside the pack. On the front straps, they have also incorporated a couple of storage pockets that are padded as well. Right here, I tested this with my iPhone. I got an iPhone 10. Slid right in either pocket, right? Great place to put that, so it's right up front, very accessible. If you're out riding, you get caught in the rain, all you have to do is slip this bad boy over, and it's got these little loops right here. It's going to attach here. There's another one somewhere here on the bottom, and then a mirror image on the other side. It slides over the pack nice. I already did it earlier in my office. Fits great. This is a pretty technical piece, right? End of the day, the construction is nice. It's super robust. If I gave it any one knock, it does, you know, it's semi-rigid, so it holds its shape pretty well. You know, sometimes you kind of push on a little bit, it'll kind of hold that, if that's important to you, I don't know. Right? Overall, it's a good-looking piece. really well put together. Give you guys an idea of what it looks like with a jacket on. Really not in the way at all. Feels good, nice and comfortable. There's a tremendous amount of adjustment available with these straps. Easy on, easy off. You've got your waist strap here. There's adjustments provided on both sides. Obviously you have your, this clasp here is really cool. That's magnetic. You just kind of dive right in. Super easy on, super easy off. And you do have that quick release feature here too that makes this pack very easy to get on and get off. This is the Alpinestars Charger Pro backpack. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to make sure you get the most out of your next purchase from STG.